Today I will show you how to get this residue off of your cabinets. Friends, thank you so much for joining me back today. This is our 16 weeks cleaning, decluttering our kitchen 1 week at a time. And I'm so glad that I made this a collaboration with you because it really motivates me to do it and get things done. So I hope that we are motivating you because I have some friends with me. And guys, you're welcome to come along. Friends, as I go through this cabinet, I'm pulling all of my parts out, and mainly I'm going to be organizing some parts. It's just a few cabinets, it's not too bad. We're doing everything under the lower cabinet except under the kitchen sink and not the kitchen island. That will come up later on because I don't want it to be too overwhelming, so you'll be able to finish it through the week. Friends, I must admit it's not easy getting up and down on the floor. This is a cement floor, but that's why I have the towel under my knees. Now I'm going to clean this with my odor band. It's the odorizer, and I love this because it's not pricey, and you can find this at Walmart. Friends, I want to take time and thank Miss Melissa from Buckeye Girls and Reefing Things for being my co-host. And Miss Anna from the Grace Life DIY channel. I thank you so much, ladies, and I thank everyone that had the heart to do this but maybe couldn't, and thank you so much for those that are joining us in this collab on today. I truly appreciate it. Guys, I even need this motivation. Friends, this shelf liner paper is a little hard to get into, but I bought this shelf liner from Family Dollar. It was only $1, and I didn't end up using it, but later on I am going to repaint my cabinets a brighter color, and that won't be a collab. That's just something I need to do. That is why I'm decluttering this so I can do other things later on. Now, as you see me going through parts, I can really get rid of a lot more parts because it's just me and my husband. But because my husband burned things up, I do not want him to use my real good pots. So I have to leave some pots here for him to cook in. Some of these old frying pans, I have to leave it for him. Trust me, he will burn your pots up. So guys, if y'all have that problem with some family members burning up your pots, so it's best to keep some old pots that are still good to use. I got some good pots down here, and they're not bad. But I just have to keep them. And I still use them, though. I still use my older pots. Friends, I want to share a comment from Miss Debbie Nixon. She said, "Hi, Penny. This is the great time to declutter, being that it's snowing." Miss Debbie, thank you so much. And I was wondering whether this was the timing for this, but you just encouraged me, and I just thank you so much. So guys, it's time to get started. You know, cleaning our home, cleaning to a better me, cleaning to a better you. Guys, we can get our home organized one place at a time. And I'm so glad that the Lord put in my heart to do this because I'm telling you guys, I need this done. And the reason why I say you motivate me to do it and those that are with me, because friends, have you ever started projects and never finish it? So that's why I said I'm glad that I put this into a collaboration on YouTube, so it motivates me to finish this. So guys, I'm going to put my large parts down here and just rearrange some things as I go through this to make it more easier to manage, to find things, and keeping it organized. Now later on, I did move these red pots to the other side. So I hope that this is bringing y'all some motivation. So guys, just take 15 minutes a day. If you're in the kitchen, got to cook, or in the kitchen, guys, just take 15 minutes. It's not going to take long. And just declutter a cabinet. Friends, just to give you an update for next month, the Lord said the same, February the 25th. I will give you a time later. I will be bringing the tier tray collab, and all you have to do is incorporate some green on your tier tray, and that's for St. Patrick's Day. So I hope you can join me in that, and I will have the information up as soon as possible. Friends, I know it's taking a little time with this, but I'm really trying to study this thing to see what's best to fit my home as I organize this. So thank you so much for watching and your patience with me. Now you see that Dutch oven pan, I'm going to keep that one, but I have another one. I'm going to give one to my daughter-in-law because I have 3 of those. So I'm going to give her the other one, not that one, but the other one. I'm using my little Bluetooth to cut this thing on and off because it's so much easier for keeping me from getting up and down. Friends, I'm not no joke. This floor is not no fun. Not in the back, I was pulling trash out and I opened up a box, but I'm going to end up using that box to put some of this stuff in that I'm decluttering. Okay, guys, this is the cabinet I'm about to show you. Got all kind of stuff, things that should have been thrown out. So I'm about to remove this. We used to have a place to keep like them sauces you get from McDonald's and Zaxby, ketchup, the Chinese store, and it is too overwhelming. I keep throwing things out and I come back, it's full up again. So this is taking up too much real estate. This is the cabinet I showed you in the beginning with the shelf paper with the adhesive stick. Guys, please do not use that, especially one from the Dollar Tree. This thing is a mess, and I'm gonna share with you how I had to get this off. It took a lot of work. I'm not gonna lie. It took a few hours because I had to put things on it to let it soak to get this adhesive often and I had to keep scrubbing it. So please do not use those adhesive shelf liners from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure about the one in Walmart because I've never used them, but don't go for the cheap on this one. Maybe more expensive might do a little bit better, but sometimes the cheap come out to be expensive. I haven't really been down in this cabinet in a while. I didn't realize these ice cream containers were down here. So I'm throwing all these containers out because I do not need them. So this is what I mean, guys, when certain things in your cabinet is taking up real estate. Some things I just do not need. Now I will keep my crock pot under here and maybe move some pots over here. But other than that, it was just taking up too much real estate. I'm not gonna keep nothing for them to keep sauces in because they keep too much and it's just too much. I just took that thing and throw it in the trash. So okay, all of this, guys, is adhesive glue coming from this shelf liner. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, it took me 2 hours to get this stuff clean up. I had to stop and go to the Dollar Tree and get some glue gone to remove the adhesive glue, but you have to soak it. And then when that didn't work, well, it did work a little bit, but I ended up using some boiling hot water and some hot vegetable oil. That's right. And I kept scrubbing it and scrubbing it. It took a while. The oil does work too. The hot water work and the glue remover works. So guys, please don't do that. That's all I can tell you. Please don't. Friends, I'm finally on the last cabinet, and it's really not that bad. It's just what the held up was with me was dealing with that sticky residue on my cabinets. So this one isn't too bad. I'm just going through things and pulling things out and just reorganizing. And I found some things that were back there that I didn't know. You know, it's always hard to deal with cabinets under the sink or on the side. I wish I had a lazy Susan right here for this space, but I don't. For some reason, our pipes and everything is right here that connects to the bathroom. So it's just kind of, you can't really put that there because if you have to get to the pipes, you have to go through under the sink. You know, so that's how they was doing these old homes. And I found some of my air fresheners that goes in candles. And I'm so glad I found that. I found my silver cleaner. I definitely need that. And so just a little few more things that's under there is not too bad. But the good thing about this, guys, now things are a whole lot better than they were. I did got rid of some things that I did not need. And it is a process. It's a process. Remember, I always tell you, declutter first. Then comes beauty. I know you want a Pinterest look kitchen, but you got to declutter this stuff first. You got to get the old out to bringing something new because the old and new do not mix. So I hope that this has helped you guys on today. And if you want to join us on our next week, which is week 4, we're organizing our season cabinets or seasonings. Guys, that's just it. Just jump on in. That's all you have to do. Just jump on in. And if the Lord say the same, we'll be here every Wednesday at 6 p.m.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Friends, thank you so much for watching. And if you're new today, I'd love for you to subscribe. Thanking all my faithful friends. God bless you. All those that are collabing with me, God bless you. I thank you. And guys, please come back next week for our 4th week. I love you, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Y'all have a blessed and prosperous week. God bless you.